All right, good morning and welcome to the Hopkinton State Fairgrounds in Hopkinton, New Hampshire. We're getting set for the America East Cross Country Championship. It is Jan Wouter van den Aker out of the Netherlands. UMass Lowell, your team champion for the 6th straight year.
As far as favorite teams, I think Maine looked very strong on here.
Second time on the podium, first time as a champion for Jasmine Trott, who has worn medals from podiums on so many occasions, outdoor, indoor, cross country. And here come the Black Bears with 6th, 7th, and 8th place.
Team was young this year, and I think a lot of people doubted us, but I think early on in the race it kind of crushed that doubt. And yeah, I feel like Lowell's here to stay.
I knew I would have to take it from the beginning and just kind of try and string it out as much as I could. So proud of how everyone went in with such a great mentality, and proud of us for coming second. It's still such a big achievement.